if you were to go into a time machine, press a button and you go back 10 or 15, 20 years and you were to talk to your younger self, what would you say?
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Read more books,
Books,
100%.
yep.
Like
Okay.
I bought a lot of books, didn't read them.
Okay.
And there's a big difference between
Shelf help. Yeah.
like actually, yeah. But like I would love to go, like the time that I have not wasted, but directed energy towards things like I've had a lot of fun. I've done some amazing adventures and it's been great. But I think had I been able to find what I know now earlier,
Yeah.
what else could we have achieved by this point? And the empire would have been bigger. So
Yeah.
and also I think it's things about, don't just like, should I have gone for a degree? Like, could I have been better? Like, I find that what I'm doing now, everything I'm doing now is more, it's definitely psychology, but it's more helping people. It's more going into businesses and it's more business focused than going in and helping people that's related to my core passions. And do I see myself in a corporate gig being CEO of a Fortune 500? Maybe, maybe not. But like the idea that that's the track you need to be on. Could I have created a product back then or a course back then that could have then, what could that have done in a decade? And so, or what if I'd have discovered like sales earlier? Could I have skipped 5 years of trying to get this degree?
Yep.
And could I have then, what could I be doing now and running my own business and that type of stuff? So I think it's just think big, don't listen to the general pathway of society and follow that inner voice. So getting clear on that inner voice that's speaking to you, it's trying to tell you something. And if you have confidence in it and back it, like great things will happen. So it's just that's probably what I would say.
Awesome.
And go earlier, go earlier. Like I wish I'd traveled earlier as well and done more. And like I went throughout time, but like I want to see those countries back then. I want to see what Thailand looked like before the tourism. I want to see, like, it was all there. And I saw brief moments, but I think I could have done more.
Yeah. Okay. And you just waited till later on in life to do that, right? Just to travel and to do all these things. Yeah. Okay.
Well, I traveled a bit as a teenager, but I could have done more.
Yeah.
I could have just stayed in Australia, or I could have just got on a plane and gone to South America. And maybe there was that part that could have, that's what I would do now, but maybe that's because I've got a child and bills to pay and all these other things. And obviously I want this. Like, it's not that I don't want this. It's just that there's so much out there right now in terms of the time you have, the freedom. Stop watching films and build a business. Like that's what I'm saying. And meet people and have those interesting stories. So that's what I've tried to do. But I think more of it would be even greater.